Hi and welcome back. Okay, so you've got your account set up, and now you've decided to start scoring using Matchmaker DSWeb. Once again, here is the Matchmaker homepage. Click in the navigation bar here where it says Coaches, and like I said before, this is where you're going to enter the stats and scorekeeping area all the time. So you might want to bookmark this page for quick access. So I'm going to click on this one. It doesn't matter which icon you use, like I said. Go ahead and log in, and I'm just going to use the sample account that we have set up here. And if you'd like to look at the sample account, you can certainly do so. It's open to everybody, so choose Minnesota High School Sample, and then the password is just sample as well. So that takes you into the sample account here. And this is the same theme as you would have using paper scorebooks. You're going to create a scorebook for each level, like varsity, A squad, JV, B squad. Some schools in Minnesota have a 9th grade team, so you would probably call that C squad, etc. But you're creating a new scorebook for each level of team that you have. So right now we have 2 scorebooks set up in the sample account, one for the 2012-13 school year for the A squad, and one for the 2012-13 school year for B squad. We're just going to create a new account or a new scorebook here for the C squad for that year, just so you can see how it gets set up. So over here on the right, you can see all the buttons for creating and opening and editing and deleting and all those kinds of things here. So we're going to click on the button that says Create New Scorebook. And now it activates these fields in the middle here. And you'll notice the button changed its caption here. Now it says Save Scorebook Data. So once we get this typed in, we can just save it, and it'll create a new blank scorebook. Just like getting a new scorebook from your athletic director, this does exactly the same thing. So click Save Scorebook Data here, and that'll take you into the scorebook. So this is like opening the front page of that scorebook and getting to work. So now you have access to your roster. Up here in the navigation bar, you have access to your stats. In this box here, you're going to be putting in your events, so dual meets and tournaments, things like that. It's kind of like creating a new page for each page in the scorebook. Down here on the bottom, you'll see where it says weight classes. Most of you will probably be using the default weight classes. So if you just click on this Use Default Weights, it'll put in the weight classes according to the National Federation rules here. You can add weights, you can edit weights, you can delete them using the buttons down here. And I think that's probably pretty self-explanatory. So that's all there is to creating a new scorebook. I'm going to navigate back to the scorebook library here. This is kind of like having a shelf in your storeroom with all of your scorebooks on it. As the years go by, you'll see more and more of them piling up in here. Eventually what we'll be able to do then is compile all those scorebooks for you and have career records, career stats, all those kinds of things. So I think that'll be a pretty neat feature of Matchmaker as well. So thank you for visiting. Again, visit my channel on YouTube. My channel name is Mr. P Teaches, and I'll keep adding videos on how to use Matchmaker. Thank you.